Neil the plug, take one. Zip tied to a tube, and his hammer zip tied to his holster to his arm. Let's see what he can do now. What? That's not that tight. No, you showed me your cut like that before too. Hey Leonard, come here for a sec. Hey Leonard, come here for a sec. Take a look at this.
This is not funny.
Don't you usually leave that for the weekend with the other guy?
This is fucking awesome. Look at the plug. What are you doing now? What are you doing now, boy? Mr. Zip Tie. What's that gonna do? What's that gonna do? What are you doing now, Neil? You can't just slide your arm out of there?
No.
Why?
It's so tight.
This is so tight. Aw. Little baby stuck.
Yeah.
How's your hand?
Sore.
Is your hand sore? Why? Why is your hand sore when your arms are all tied up? What got you into this position, Neil?
I don't know.
Neil, I think we're going to go build some scaffold now.
I'm seriously fucked.
Yeah. This is excellent. This is some of the best zip tying I've ever seen. Like no, that won't help. It was fucking amazing how good that worked out. I'm extra super impressed with how this is. Are you going to try and pinch it against the tube? You're not going to try hammering the fucking tube? The strap?
It won't round.
Why?
Try twisting your arm. Fuck that. You can hurt.
What a plug. That's not gonna work.
I know. Okay. I need you guys to look out.
Why? Beg on your hands and knees and say Bo and Sean are the absolute kings of the world.
Fuck you.
No. Okay, you're getting out your fucking self, bitch.
Exactly.
Yeah. Fucking show me what you got. That's already undone. What do you You got that undone now. Look at him. He's all zip tied. Oh, is he gonna do it this time? Oh, careful. No! Fuck that! He fucking got zip tied like that. Wicked. Look at, he's almost got her. He's almost got her. Look at. Hey! Cutting off his frills. Look at
Hey, Sean, make sure no one comes in.
Why, Sean?
No, I don't care.
No, look at him. Look at the plug. Look at him underground. What's he doing now? What's he doing now? Can't you get your other hand over there to help him down? Get him, Mark. Get him. Get him, Mark. Get in there. Look at it. Oh, this is fucking great. Oh, Phil, look, he's got his arm over there. Right on, but then it tightens up, huh? Look at He's so close. He got her. Oh, fucking right. I'm impressed. That was some Houdini action. And there was the trials of Neil, the zip tie master.
So,
That was amazing. Good job, Neil. Good job.
Okay.
Plug.
A hat.